Hey you guys, Jeannie here and welcome back to my channel and welcome to Target Tuesday. I have a guest with me. Scarlett, say hi. Turn around and say hi. Scarlett's going to be helping me out in today's video, so make sure you say hi Scarlett in the comments. So the first deal I'm going to share with you guys are these little Hot Wheel cars. So these are regularly 99 cents and there's a promo running for 11 for $10, so it makes them just 90 cents. So really great deal. So we are actually spending a gift card from Scarlett's birthday, and this was the perfect time to come shop because now there is toy clearance. So this Vampirina, this is what Scarlett picked out. This Vampirina little sing-along boombox. It is regularly $29.99 and it's down to $20.98. So I'm teaching her how to be a smart shopper looking for those clearance finds, huh, Scarlett? Alright you guys, so we have a really nice deal on some Coca-Cola 12 packs. So we have a 40% off Target cartwheel that you can apply to any of the 12 packs. Just check your location to see how much your 12 packs cost. You can get a 12 pack of Coca-Cola soda for $1.95 after cartwheel, and this is a limit of 4. So what you want to do is look for the Nabisco 3.5 ounce containers. So these are priced for $1.09. So what I want you to do is buy 2 of them for $2.18. In today's Smart Source, we got a 75-cent off 2 coupons. So we're going to take 75 cents off, so you get 2 of them for $1.48 or 71 cents each. So really good deal. Alright you guys, so we have a nice little deal on some Skittles. So these are on sale for $2.55. This is the 14-ounce lay bag. So buy 2 of them for $5.10, and a few inserts ago we got a $1 off 2 coupon. So that'll make these guys just $2.05 per bag. So if you have you know, parties coming up, birthday parties, whatever you want to get some Starbursts for, maybe some potty training rewards, not a bad deal. Starting price is $2.69. Alright you guys, so we have some nice deals on select General Mills cereals here at Target. So you have a ton to choose from. Just look out for your tags. So these are on sale $2.50 each. So starting cost is $3.49. So go ahead and buy 2 of them for $7.50. We have a $1 off 3 printable coupon you can print from coupons.com. So it makes these guys just $2.16 each, and there is also a savings star you can use. So definitely print that $1 off 3 coupon from coupons.com and snag you some cereal. Guys, so we have a nice little deal on the Contadina pizza squeeze sauce. We see this cartwheel, it rolls around like once a month. There's a 40% off Target cartwheel. So starting cost is $1.69. So with that 40% cartwheel, it drops it down to just $1.02, limit of 4. Okay you guys, so we have a nice little deal on the Heinz tomato ketchup, the Simply variety. So these are priced for 2 for $6 or $3 each. We have a printable $1 off 1 coupon from coupons.com. So it's going to drop this guy down to $2. Had to think about that for a minute. So $2. My store doesn't have the no sugar added, but let me go ahead and share with you guys the nutrition facts on the back. So on the back of this one, there is a total of 4 grams of sugar, but obviously the no sugar added one has 0 sugar. So just heads up on the nutrition facts right here. Alright you guys, so we have a nice little cartwheel on the ballpark bun. So you can do hamburger or you can do hot dogs. So they're priced for $2.99. So that Target cartwheel takes 25% off. So we have a nice little deal in the beauty and personal care section. So when you spend $20 or more, you're going to get a $5 Target gift card. And something I want to highlight to you guys are these Piggy Paint nail polishes. So Piggy Paint was so kind to send Scarlett the whole entire color line, and we've really been loving them. So this is an all-natural, water-based, odorless, non-toxic nail polish. And what I love about this is it dries super fast. So definitely check up your Target if you've been interested in this line. Definitely head to Target and get yourself a deal on some Piggy Paint. Okay guys, we have a nice little deal in the cleaning section. So Windex and select other cleaners are buy one get one 20%. So I'm going to highlight the Windex deal. You can do any one that's priced for $3.29 for the best value. So what you want to do is buy 2 of them, comes to $5.93. We have printable $1 off 1 coupons. Go ahead and use 2 of those. So final cost is going to be just $1.96 after your coupons and the sale. So we started at $3.29 and now we're down to $1.96. So thank you guys so much for joining me for today's Target Tuesday. If you guys are wanting some more Target to celebrate Target Tuesday, I do have a Target must-do deals as well as a Target haul if you guys want a little bit more Target in your day. So I hope you guys have a fantastic Tuesday, and I will talk to you guys all later. Bye.